Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G200 5G, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add a widget. In my case that will be the new one. And now just hold for a while your screen, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Go there, and here by scrolling down you can see all the available widgets that you can add to your screen. And for example, we can go with the clock one. Just hold for a while and drag it to the position when we want to add a widget. We can change the name, the size of this widget by this way. Or we can make it smaller. I can see them, okay. Also we can add here one more widget by the same way. Just go here, and for example we can add the calendar schedule. And also we can change the size of the widget. You can also move this widget here between the screens. Just hold for a while and drag it to the another screen, or you can make it smaller. And so by this way we can add the new widgets to our screen. And if you want to just remove, hold for a while and drag it here to the remove icon. And by the same way we can remove the one more widget. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.